The Malaysian Timber Council, MTC, through its Americas office, made its debut participation at the held from 12 to 15 May 2026 in Bogotá, Colombia, marking MTC's first market engagement initiative in South America. Recognized as one of Latin America's key trade platforms for the wood processing and furniture manufacturing industry, the biennial exhibition brought together industry players across the supply chain, featuring innovations in furniture materials, solid and treated wood, laminated boards, fittings, lighting systems, modular furniture solutions, and more. MTC's participation received an encouraging response throughout the four-day exhibition, with strong visitor traffic recorded at its booth. More than 100 visitors from across the Americas, including Colombia, Ecuador, Guatemala, Honduras, Nicaragua, Peru, Panama, Puerto Rico, and Venezuela visited the booth to explore opportunities for sourcing Malaysian timber and timber products. MTC Americas also participated in dedicated business matching sessions with potential buyers and industry stakeholders. With growing challenges in local raw material sourcing faced by many regional players, visitors expressed keen interest in Malaysia as a reliable and sustainably managed source of quality wood products. Enquiries covered a broad range of products including sawn timber, panel products, moldings, and finished furniture. The participation provided valuable market exposure for Malaysian timber products while opening new opportunities for business, collaboration, and market expansion in the South American region. The MTC booth was represented by Ms. Lai Mei Theng, Regional Representative, and Mrs. Angelina Rouget, Marketing Executive from MTC Americas.